To activate remote start on your 2017-2021 Cadillac XT5, first ensure all doors are locked. This keeps your vehicle secure. Next, press the lock button on your key fob 3 times in quick succession within 5 seconds. You should hear the engine start within a few seconds, and the lights may flash for confirmation. The engine will run for about 10 to 15 minutes, and the key fob needs to be within approximately 100 meters. To stop the engine remotely, simply press the unlock button on the key fob once. If remote start won't work, check that doors are locked, the hood is closed, and fuel level isn't critically low. Also verify the key fob battery. It uses a CR232 type. For safety, never use remote start in enclosed spaces like garages due to carbon monoxide risk. Avoid leaving pets or valuables inside while the engine runs unattended. For added convenience, use the My Cadillac app if your model supports it for extended range and scheduling. Always refer to your owner's manual for specific details.